Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. In this video we will move further and we will add the kill counts and we will actually show that the card on the kill count panel. So here in the nickname script we will create a public int and we can name it kills maybe. So let's go here and we can create an array and name it kills like this, and then we can just move further, and in the same script after the run message function we can actually update the kills. So what we can do, we can in the run message we can create a function. Actually we can say update kills, and then for this function we can actually create a function here void update kills. And now for this function we'll say that for int I equal to 0, I is less than names dot length, and I plus plus. If when is names sorry, here in the update kills we can create a string and we can name it win, and then here we have this win if win equal to names, and then we'll get from names from the index and text. Then we will make the kills plus plus. Okay, so kills will be added. You can save everything and update kills and semicolon. Okay, save, and why this is the error. Yeah, actually we are not using the win here, so we must use win because we are using the string win. So update kills win. And now in the last what we will do is that we are making in the kill count script. If we go to the kill count, you can see that we are using the random range here. So instead of a random range we will choose the name object dot get component name nickname script, and then we will just choose the kills from there. Okay, so save it, and now we will just go to the we will just go to the names bg because nickname script is here, and you can see that we should have a kills. You can see we don't list is empty, So we should have the 6 characters in the room, so we can just press 6. Okay, now save it, and I will just go for the, where is the that's script for the characters, so I will just recheck. Yeah, here it is, waiting BG. So I will just make the characters 3 just for the testing purpose, or maybe the 4. So let's see how it will be. Main menu and play, so there is no error hopefully. So now we can just build the game and let's test it out. Okay, so now we can just open the first character and let's go here. Then we will go for the second character, then go in the room, then we will go for the third character, then we will go for the fourth character, okay, now enter is available for all the characters, so I will just choose the red, then green, actually the players spawn initially, and that is an issue which we can solve later on about that. But now you can see that we have the 4 characters. I will just go here. This is the second character, this is the third one. So this is a HY character, so let's kill this character. So also you can see that 2 sounds are available for some reason. Okay. Okay, so now you can see HY killed Wakas, and now if we go to press K, you can see that HY has a 1 kill. So that's great. And if we go here and let's kill this one, this character, and for that we will focus on this. Okay, so HY killed, and if we press K, you can see we have 2 killed. And if we go here and then if we press K, you can see HY has 2 kills. So that's great, it's working nicely, and in the next video we'll move further. Goodbye.